good evening. Today we will be seeing the solution of the part D from the Codeforces round 1037 for Div 3. It is the latest Codeforces round. The problem is stating that we have been provided with n casinos. Now each casino is characterized by three variables, namely al, real and r. Now what are these? If let us say you have a current amount of x rupees, and if your x is lying between L and R, then you can just play in this casino and you can simply just get the double or get the reward by getting the money converted into the real variable. For a better understanding, we will take the example of this input 3 1 2 3 3 1 2 2 and 3 10 10. It means that let us say you are initially started with 1 rupee. Now you can play among the second casino, in which the limit is allowed from 1 to 2, so the current amount is 1, so we can play in this casino and it will be converted to 2. Now the money is converted to 2 and we will take this money and go to the another casino. Now we can play at the very first casino, because you can see that the 2 and 3 are the limits and we are lying in the particular limit, so the money will be converted to 3 and we can take this money and again play into the casino, the third casino, which limit is going from 3 to 10. We can simply play in this casino and the money will be converted to 10. So what we have to do, we have to maximize this amount, or we have to maximize the amount by playing at the every single casino. You can play or you cannot, but you have to visit the casinos in any order you want and you have to simply print out the maximum answer. So how we are gonna approach the solution? See, the solution is pretty easy. If you know the concept of tuple, you can easily solve the question. So what we'll do, we will just go use a tuple variable and we will sort it out according to the L, right? Because as you can see that the real is going to be greater than L and R is definitely going to be greater than L. We will just simply traverse through the tuple and we will see the basic condition. If the current amount is particularly lying between L and R, we will simply check. If the real amount is greater than it, we will update it to the answer, or we can just simply value is maximized, value will be the maximum of value and the real. And the other case could be that the money is current amount is less than L. We have to simply break at this particular moment, because the current amount is not sufficient to play at this casino, and as we have sorted it, we have visited all the casinos with the lower permissible amount, but at this particular casino we cannot play, and similarly for the future casinos we cannot play. So simply we have to break it out, and when the amount is greater than R, we have to explore the other casinos in which the R is going to decrease, isn't it? So let us just see the pseudocode for a better understanding of the solution. Okay, so you can see over here, firstly we will just create the tuple. We are using a struct tuple, or you can just also use the inbuilt tuple function. What we'll do, we will just simply get the integer t from the user, and then we'll use a while loop, while t minus minus, and then we'll create the declaration of integer n and k. We will simply get it from the user, and we will simply declare the vector triple. You can call it a tuple or a triple, anything you want. We of the size n, then we will get it from the user. Each data has been inputted into it. Then we will sort it out. It is the most important step of this particular function. We will sort it according to the first, which is the L particularly, and after that we will just get the variable initialized as k, which is called the value variable, and we will traverse through the entire tuples, and we will see the first condition. If the condition is valid, if the value is greater than equals to value of I dot first, which is nothing but L, and if it is also less than equals to R, we will just simply update the value as the maximum. And as if the value is lesser than L, we will simply break, and if the value is more than second, we have to continue. We have to explore the other options. I hope you understand the solution. Thank you so much.